In this video, I will try to answer your numerous questions about where I'm getting the things for our home. I can say in advance that I'm buying in person, physically going to the shop. However, I found the links for every single item you are interested about, and I hope that they will be useful at least as a guideline. I can't warranty about the shipping to your country. Definitely for the last time about Christmas this year. But you asked me where I got foldable paper decorations. Every year we are adding a couple of fresh items, and those cozy trees are from Arket. The same you might find also at H&M Home. I wanted small table lamp for our corridor as I don't like ceiling light. And once on Pinterest I saw lovely portable mushroom lamp which however I couldn't get, but discovered this very cute quirky substitute. The most favorite and asked item from our home is this ceramic container with wooden handle by Eva Solo. It's lovely Danish design, and what I love the most about it is natural materials and smooth finish. I got 2 new knives as Christmas present to myself, and my DIY knife block wasn't safe enough to store them. So with this occasion I replaced it with the one from the same brand, specially made for this purpose. For uniform look, I also splurged on the new cylinder for my utensils. Some of you were interested about the Danish cutting boards. They are made of quite heavy oak wood, and I really love their smooth surface and look. Once a month, I'm treating them with coconut oil, letting to sit for some hours so they can last longer in my kitchen. As I said, Japanese handmade knives are my Christmas present. They already passed quality check on my fingers. Have to be more careful in the future. Very affordable Muji PP makeup boxes I saw first on one of Martha Stewart's organizing videos, and when I finally got into the Muji shop in Cologne, I really lost my head, as you can see. I got questions about round trays and cylinder. The porcelain tray is from German home accessories maker Reda. We have more items around the house, and the iron perforated one is Danish from Hai. I like aimlessly explore chain retail Maison du Monde, so cylinder utensil holder is from there, and very small bowl is Ikea. And I'm using ketchup squeezy bottle for the dishwasher. The wool dryables I also got from Danish shop. They are promised to resist for 1000 drying cycles. As they came packed in cylinder box, they can be stored dust-free. I have 3 such multi-purpose baskets in total. I got 1 in L and 2 in M size. In one smaller I'm storing washing detergents, and got the same size for the car boot. Bigger one you could see in the bathroom. But on the laundry days, it serves as a laundry basket. The plastic is very pleasant to touch and seems to be quite resistant to bend, so I can just recommend it. What the tennis ball is doing in the laundry room? I'm using it as a dryer ball as suggested for down garments, because it's significantly heavier and sturdier than the wool balls. About the cat. You've been asking where is located our cat's toilet and where her belongings are coming from. So her triangle toilet is in our bathroom, both with tangled mat preventing from litter spreading all around the places we got from German pet chain retail Fressnapf. I am not sure though whether the litter locker 2 is still produced in this design, and frankly, it's not the most stylish one, but I wrote you a couple of alternatives in the description box along with Infinity Toy and the Cat Cave. All cats' feeding station accessories are from Maison du Monde. They are very adorable farmhouse style, and I love it. Unfortunately, there is no link for our office table, as it's handmade in 60s by anonymous Hungarian village carpenter. My husband's parents didn't want it anymore, as it looked quite dingy, so I took it and painted white. And finally, about our controversial couch, which some of you love and the others, well, not that much. I'm not managing to adjust my camera settings to capture the real color of it, but I can assure in reality it looks really great. Very decent burgundy color, not screaming raspberry or firefighter truck red. Unfortunately, this model isn't produced anymore, but I'll let you the link to the website of the producer. So here is pretty much it about the items you've been asking. I hope I could give you some idea about them. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. Also consider subscribing, because I will continue showing the things from Luxembourg. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.